All right. So thank you everyone for being here. My name is Jason Gannon. I am the event planner that's responsible for putting on this event. This is our premier event of the year for all of our customers and prospects, Angular Connect Conference 2022. This year, my leadership has given me the objective of making sure we have a 50% registration rate for all of the prospects and customers we're inviting to this event. So right here, I have everything I need to put on this event and execute a great event. So I have things like my different ticket types, sessions, speakers, sponsors, staff members, discount codes, everything that I need to put on this event. Outside of putting on a great event, I mentioned I have to have at least a 50% registration rate. I also want to make sure that everyone in my organization knows how we're pacing and going to achieve that goal. I want to enable them to actually come in here and check out, see how we're doing without having to reach out to me, sending me an email, calling me, slacking me. I'm enabling them to come right to this very same event record and see how we're pacing towards that 50% goal. So right here, we can see out of all the invites we've sent out to our customers and prospects, we have a 32% registration rate so far. 66% of people have still not registered. So it's my job to get to that 50%. How am I going to do that? I've already been working with my marketing team. We have some nice customer journeys built out in Marketing Cloud to continue to nurture people to get them to register. That's been going on for a little bit now, and we can see we still haven't moved the needle. There's still another 18% out there that I need to find. I've also myself been sending some reminder emails. So right through this button, I can send a quick reminder to everyone out there to actually register for the event. Still not moving the needle, so I need to employ some new tactics. From past history, I know that sending a text message is a little bit more personalized, and we find that we have a much higher open rate and engagement rate. We have a 90% open rate versus a traditional email, around 46%. So I'm going to go ahead and layer on this communication with SMS. So I'm going to send a text message to that 66% who have not registered yet. So I have this list ready to go. So right from here, I'm going to be able to send a bulk text message to everyone who hasn't registered yet. So we can see all these customers and prospects right here for Angular Connect Conference 2022 who still haven't registered yet. I can come over here, simply select everyone, and go ahead and send that bulk SMS. From here, I can go ahead and create a new message, reminding everyone to register, or even better, I can lean on one of the templates that I've already created specifically for this use case. So here's my template for invitee reminder for those who haven't registered. After I select this template, we can see that it's very personalized. It's addressing them by first name, reminding them they haven't registered for this event, and here's how they can go do it. Now I'm ready to schedule this text message. So from here, I can go ahead and send it right now, or knowing that we're dealing with an audience across multiple time zones, I want to send it at a time neutral. So I'm going to come down here, and I actually have the ability to go ahead and schedule this bulk SMS message. I'm going to go ahead and send this today, and I want to send it at 3:30. Very key, make sure we change this to PM. We don't want to be sending that at AM. Then boom, I can hit schedule, and it's going to go ahead and send out that message. Now let's fast forward. Let's see how people are actually engaging with that text message. So down here, we're actually looking at, of that bulk SMS I just sent out, how many people actually clicked that text message. Not open, actually clicked. We can see that 50% of those people that opened that text message went ahead and clicked. So again, we're showing this is a much more effective way of getting engagement. They're not just opening it, they're actually clicking it. But of those 50% that actually took the time to click, how many people actually went on to register? So down here, we can see of those customers and prospects that clicked through to the registration page, 60% of them went on to register. So again, this is showing that this is an effective way to communicate and engage with our customers and prospects, driving that desired action we want. Now, there's still another 40% here that still haven't registered. We know this 40% is an engaged audience, right? They didn't just open that text message, they actually clicked it. So maybe this is an appropriate time to continue engaging them. I can drill into that 40% and create a task for anyone at the organization to actually reach out to them. Maybe I want to leverage my leadership like Stuart and get Stuart to reach out to some of these individuals to actually ask them to register. Or maybe me as the event planner, I want to continue to engage with them myself. So I'm going to send a text message to my man Cole here. We can see Cole is still not registered. He's invited. We sent Cole that text message earlier in the week asking him to register. We know Cole clicked. I've already demonstrated we have the ability to send out a bulk SMS, but now we have the ability to send a one-to-one message as well. So I'm going to go ahead and send Cole a text saying, hey, Cole, I'm really looking forward to seeing you this year. So we can send that one-to-one message on top of that bulk message. So again, my goal here is not just to put on an incredible event, but it's also to make sure I'm getting that 50% registration rate, and also informing everyone at the organization how we're pacing towards that goal and what we're doing to achieve that goal. So anyone can come in here, see how we're pacing, as well as see any of the communication strategies that we're employing without having to ask me. So they can see the emails that we're sending, they can see the text messages we're sending, all in the same location right here.